Okay, here's 35 through 39, and these will go quick. Okay, again, you can use your calculator on this inverse problem if you want. You would just type this matrix into A and then do A inverse. But I'm going to do it by hand since it's a 2 by 2. First, I'm going to determine if there is a matrix inverse by finding the determinant, which again is AD minus BC. Those cross multiplying here. So I have a -8 minus -8, which is 0. And because it is 0, there is not going to be an inverse because the matrix equation would be 1 over 0, and you are not allowed to divide by 0. So there is not an inverse on this. I'm guessing your calculator would tell you some sort of error. Okay, more determinants here. So this time you're just asking you to do the AD minus BC. Your calculator can do this, but I would not do it on a problem like this. 2 by 2s are very easy. You would just type matrix A into your calculator, and then you would go to second matrix, and you would scroll over to where it says math, and there's a button that says DET, which means determinant, and you would do the determinant of A. Okay, but we're going to do this by hand until there's a 3 by 3. So I have AD, so it's -30 minus 0. So that's just going to be -30. It would be way quicker to do this by hand. Okay. On this one, when I multiply A times D right here, that's going to be -9 minus -16. It should be 7. Okay, this one here, AD would be -45 minus, what is the square root of 7 times the square root of 7? That's the square root of 49, which is 7. -45 minus 7 should be -52. Okay, last one. You could not use your calculator for this. You would have to do this by hand. Okay, AD would be x to the 4th times x to the 7th. You do add the exponents there, minus 6x to the 3rd. That's it. So we would have to type this in. You can tell I don't do the homework every day. Okay, that's it for today. There will be a lesson tomorrow, and we'll get through about half of these, the single grass, and then we'll do the complicated ones, and that will get us through the rest of the week. And then we have to come up with a new plan about Chapter 7, which is a little bit tougher. Okay, but we'll figure it out. Miss you guys. Bye.